Alright, let's go. I'm ready for this, man. I'm ready.
Since you're going UEF, that means you've dedicated to go air defense.
Alright, I didn't even know that well, it automatically makes you UEF.
Unless you want to change, I can go UEF.
No, I'll be air. I can just spam the air.
Okay.
I'll spam
I
all
will
the
give-
air because I don't really do air enough. I don't do it enough. So I'm gonna change my color. Orange. Orange is the king of the skies, and now everybody is not readied up. Loki, come on, dude. Man, I know you got smashed by Hulk, but you have to get up and click that ready button.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go research and get shields up, and shield your base as well.
All right, I'll just defend us.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need those shields because either they're going air or they're going
Spoomba goes Arty.
He goes what? What'd you say?
Artillery. Arty.
Okay. I don't know the terminology. All right. What is that pool? My sister made a pool in Sims 4 that stretches almost taller than her house. All right, let's see. Why did I almost build a sea factory? What? Yes. Alright, I'm getting some planes out right now.
Perfect. And yeah, you have wasps, which are really nice.
Yeah, wasps are like the best. If I could get some, if I can get some AC 1000s, that would also be good.
Mm-hmm.
Or broadswords. I think I'm gonna get broadswords first. Yeah, well, I have to, but like, that's what I'm gonna focus really first. But first I'm doing build cost, so I can really get them out. Build cost and build time. That's what we need right now. I'm gonna go scout a little bit with like a few planes, just like 2.
Yeah. I'll also try to get. Oop, they just came in.
Fast with scouting.
Yes, and they are gonna see that I've gone a lot of research.
Their guy isn't even attacking. Is their plane not dead? There we go. Alright, so let me see. Okay. I have to hit them hard.
Need to build a factory so it can pump out some engineers.
Getting up all the air that I can get, man. You'll just have to wait a second. It's a tough job being an air guy. You have so much responsibility, because if you lose your lead, then you lose.
Yeah, or at least it really hurts.
You might, yeah. You just, I'm gonna get some air defense. You should too.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it in mind.
Okay. Research is going going nicely.
I don't really have much research. I'm just kind of doing it. Just kind of doing what I need to do. Let's see. I like the UEF experimentals. See, something's coming in. That's just air defense.
Okay, and I'm getting shields up in your base now as well.
Nice, dude. Thanks. Let's see. Another air factory.
Yeah, so green is going science, which is Boomba, so yes, he's definitely going to be going art.
We'll have to take him down. What are you doing? Are you doing science?
Yes.
Alright, good. We'll need. Can you go artillery too, or no?
I'm going defense first, and then yes, I'm going offensive.
I just really wish you were UEF so you could build the
Aegises.
Well, and also your artillery isn't really that good.
I don't have arty.
Yeah, I know. It's like the rocket things. It's like the rocket things. Those are basically artillery. Which just sucks. So I kind of wish you were. Yeah, they're both UEF, so kind of gives us.
Do you want to scout them again real quick, just to make sure we're not doing nukes?
Alright.
Because I know one was going research, but it's still going to take them a while to get to nukes.
I'm going in with a lot of planes. Well, not really that many planes. It's only 6.
Yeah, enough where if some die,
Yeah,
you
it
should
doesn't
still
really
be able to
matter
get through.
I still have a lot of planes to get up.
Oh dear lord.
What?
We didn't even get close to them.
Seriously?
Yeah.
How? Oh, they have a bunch of anti-air things on their fronts. Should probably get it. Need more energy. That's what I need. Dude. Might go heavy shields for my aircrafts next. That will be good. And the unit cap is 1,000, which is this is gonna be great. You have a lot more anti-air than I do, probably because you're not putting this much. I have my own personal air defense, just in the front of my base. It doesn't really matter as much. Just put that there. And that's just forward. If I can meet his planes and take them out.
Oh,
Oof.
he's coming in with a lot of wasps at least.
And he has a lot of he has some
bombers.
Commander under attack.
Mm-hmm.
I am slowly getting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Commander
he's
under
done.
attack.
Oh, that was great. That was so good. Oh, nuke defense. That is also something that I need.
Yes.
Should I do another scouting run?
Sure, yes. Okay, so yeah, we have a nuke defense in both our bases, and they are building
Going
defense
with 10
nuke
planes this
anti-nuke
time.
as well. Okay, build some anti-air here as well.
Oh, there's an artillery. There is artillery. That is confirmed. He has a nuke. Wait, no, that's a nuke. But he is
Okay.
hitting my stuff hard with.
And I'm building more shields.
I knew he would do this. So we have to be calm. He's just focusing my base though right now.
Yes, because I'm just going.
You're not gonna do it. I'm probably gonna get my commander shields too. It's just gonna slowly grow in numbers as this stuff though, so we're gonna have to take that out fast. No. Stop. Build. Send them over there. I need a lot more shield.
So you guys continue to play.
Commander under attack.
Yes.
I'm gonna do something that's stupid, but it's also gonna be funny. So.
Man, I might just want to play it again, but I also then remember, yeah, the only reason why I hate ships is that land units are kind of the only way to kill them a lot of the time. Do you agree with me, Alan?
Not doing too much.
Yeah.
It kind of defeats the purpose of.
Dude.
Yeah.
I'm not doing what you think I'm doing. I'm not doing anything that you don't want to know about. It's called an air fortress. They see it and they think I'm doing AC-5000s, but I'm really not.
Bonsai, those things make AC-1000s look like crap. You know why?
Yeah, I know. 'Cause you can build
Gunship spam.
Can you build an entire army in 2 seconds?
Of gunships. Just
Dude,
build
can you shield
gunships.
this thing? Can you shield this thing?
Yes, I'm producing.
I think I'm gonna go. I'm trying to. I'm getting more bombers, and then I will.
Commander under attack.
Aw, dude, it is only getting closer.
I think I have a lot of shields in your base.
Yeah, you have a lot of shields. Oh man, look at that energy production in Supreme Commander Force. Let's see. Is 3. Make a second. That'd be fun. Should I do that? Or it might just be crazy. Probably the second one. But I don't really care. No. Crazy is good. Crazy is good. The amount of planes I have, I think it's overboard at this point in time. Seriously. This is just stupid. This is actually stupid. Alright, I'm just gonna be creating eagle eyes inside my thing right now. They're just in there. Alright, so many bombers are going. Oh my gosh, how fast did this thing go? That's hilarious. Oh my gosh, that's so stupid.
Dear lord, he has so much artillery.
Is it the same thing? No, it is not. I wanted to know if the turning was the same in Supreme Commander Force mounts. But it is not. We're building a second air fortress here. Dude, that is a lot of artillery.
Let's see what the
Shields are down, shields are down.
Yeah, I've been
Commander
trying to
under
build as
attack.
many as I can, but that's I'm god the amount of artillery.
Where are my
So we need to do an attack on them, or else.
Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm doing it, dude. I'm unloading all the bombers that I just made, and I'm going to do an attack on his artillery. He probably thinks that I'm dead, or something close to it. Alright,
Commander
for
under
bomb-
attack.
Started his attack on my base now.
Cool. Time for him to feel the thunder. His
bad, I
air
couldn't
army
stand.
is so much smaller than mine. So it's funny. Oh my gosh, the air is just gone. It just makes the air gone. Oh, there is units in the base. Units in the base.
Commander under
Where?
attack.
Units in the base. Over here. But I'm firing at them with my fortresses.
Commander under attack.
Oh, my commander's under attack. Oh crap.
Commander under attack.
They were just out of range of my defense.
That's so annoying. That is so annoying. How'd they even get there? Did they? Oh,
had
they're
unit
unit cannons. They are unit cannons. They have unit cannons. Oh, that sucks. That's so annoying. Unit cannons are so annoying. Now that the air army is now that my like super large air army is gone.
Yeah.
That sucks. It's the artillery. The artillery was so good that we couldn't.
Yes, you had to start shooting back at them, or else we physically couldn't do anything.
Yeah. I don't understand.
Game, boys. Good game.
Darn.
Tired.
That sucks.